Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Honda PCX150. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 4,242 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output of 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and installed a new rear tire. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the right side plastics. This vehicle has one key and has been upgraded with a luggage mount plate. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.